Oh man, what's it called? I forgot.
We're very excited to see your glial cells. I was going to show you. I finished
Good
my
evening, everyone.
I finished my Palestine neuron here.
Wow, beautiful actually.
It's
Thank you. I'm glad
It's
you like
really
amazing.
it.
Good
beautiful.
afternoon.
But it
And Jeff,
actually looked like what's it called? It actually looked like not a. It's like a brain cell.
it looks like a neuron. Does that look like a neuron? Right.
Yeah,
Actually, and Jeff and I drove
it's the
this
same
neuron.
thing. It's like
We we
really
Mhm.
great.
drove we drove this neuron all the way to San Diego. So we went from Portland, Oregon, about over 1,000 miles down to San Diego to talk about what you
So
guys have been
how long
doing.
was that drive, Bill?
It
How
was
long was that drive?
Hello,
2.5 days, I
Mr.
think.
Abdulrahman.
Yeah.
Two and a
Hello,
half days.
hello. So you drove for 2.5 days.
Yes, and I
Yeah.
finished the neuron on the way. I was not driving.
No.
Good afternoon, guys.
2.5 days?
Two and a
That's
half
a lot.
days of driving. Yeah, that was a lot. Jeff just drove how many
Mm.
days, Jeff?
For
Uh,
today, we're gonna
well,
share.
three. Well, it's probably about 2.5 days also.
He's coming to you from a state called New
Um,
Mexico. Mhm.
yeah, I'm in Taos in New Mexico at a artist residency, making artwork. So,
So Abdul do you want to start off? Because you shared with me an image, right, of somebody working on their glial cell, right?
yes, it was
I made
Mustafa.
about the glial cell and
Yay!
So we have a lot of glial cells today, and also
Wow.
students are in their exam seasons, but they
Oh,
send us very
I
beautiful
just give
glia.
you
So,
my clear
so thank you,
cells. It's
I made
students.
very
about the
beautiful.
glial cell and the astrocyte cell.
Yes.
Me,
So,
I made about glial cells and
and everyone's gonna be presenting their cells. So
nice.
what we
Mhm.
can do is that I can share my screen and I listed them alphabetically. So we can start based on the alphabetical order, sort of how we did last
Hello.
year.
Um,
Hello.
uh, in the meeting, my name is Nada, but my real name is Tamara. You know me, Mr. Abdulrahman, right?
Yes, yes, Tamara. Let me fix
Yeah,
that.
so I made already a project. So do I have to send it to you or what?
Yes, you can send it to me, but you can also share it in that chat and I can just put it in the drive so that we can share it on the screen. And if you
So
have
I
my
have
WhatsApp
to,
or
so I have to send it on WhatsApp or the chat box.
both can work. If you can on WhatsApp, that will be better.
Okay.
All right, perfect. Let us wait just maybe 2 more minutes, if
Sure,
that's
of
okay with
course. Yeah, yeah.
everyone, so
Absolutely, yeah.
that all the students could have joined.
hello, Mr. Abdulrahman. I miss you really.
Hi, Mustafa. I miss you too.
Abdulrahman,
I'm Mr. Abdulrahman. How are you?
when was the last
I
time
am
you were
good.
with when you were with the students, Abdulrahman? Mhm.
Uh, 2 weeks ago. Yeah,
Okay.
we finished our program around 2 weeks ago,
Okay. Mhm.
maybe 10 days ago. Oh, Yeah.
And now you have exams?
Okay, we still have students today.
Our students have exams too.
Yesterday.
We already finished
Yeah,
our
they finished.
exams actually,
Oh,
That
congratulations.
That's
and we do
good.
not know what our score.
Oh, is Abdul
Of course,
Rahman
we are
supposed to be giving
waiting
you a
at our
score?
school.
No, it's for their other uh core subjects. So that's where they're gonna get their scores, but I'm sure everyone here is gonna be
Hello, Abdulrahman.
really great. Hello, hello.
Mr.
Okay.
Getting more
Abdulrahman, I'm
people.
Rita.
Rita, your Zoom name is now Sally?
Yes.
Okay, let me
Yes.
fix it.
It's my
How are
mom.
you?
I am good. How are you? How is everyone?
I am fine.
Hello, Mr.
Great, great.
Abdulrahman.
Hello, Mr. Abdulrahman. How are you?
Hello, hello. And guys, there's also amazing volunteers. So hello, Mr. Abdulrahman, and hello, Bill, and hello, Jeff, and Katie, and
No worries.
C.
Hello, everybody.
Hello.
Yeah.
C. So
And
please
for the
welcome
person,
them.
this meeting is Bill.
Hello, Bro.
Let me pull up the chat
Okay. Hello, Abdul Wahab.
here.
Hello, Mr.
How are you
Abdulrahman. How are you?
all? How are you doing? All of you.
Good.
Good. Good. Very good.
For some of us, it's early, right? It's like 8 a.m. Oh, look at that. Wow. That looks like
Oh,
a
I love that.
microglial cell. It makes me think of a spider. So
Yep.
actually,
So that's
when we were at the conference, we drove all the way to San Diego, we were saying, to present at the conference. It's a conference of neuroscientists, and Abdul Rahman, we were hoping would be there.
hmm
Um, but we learned from somebody who studies microglia, and they say they don't always call them spiders. They like to call them toddlers. They're like young children. They like to grab everything, they move around, they put things in their mouth, they get angry and throw a tantrum. They take
Yeah.
away parts of the brain. So I kind of like that analogy too.
Yeah.
Is
that's very
so
nice.
Ahmed and Zainab, is this your glial cell?
Yes.
Yes. Okay,
It's
Ahmed's here.
cool.
I love that.
My one is Tibeti. I do not know how to pronounce it, but it's like remember like the noodles, something like that. We have
Yes.
a lot from it.
Okay. Mhm.
Great.
I made it
And
with
we will
it.
show yours, Jude. We will show
Mr.
yours.
Abdulrahman,
Tamara, yes.
on the chat of year 9, I just see the name of Dr. Farah. I don't see your name.
Can you send it to me on my personal number?
Yeah, I don't find your
Do you have
personal
that?
number.
Okay. Just share it in the chat. Okay. And I'm gonna put my
Okay.
number here if you want for the WhatsApp. But please share it in the chat. You can do that.
So we would love to see all the cells, but Abdulrahman, do you want us to introduce
Yes.
ourselves so we know who's here and stuff like that too?
Yes. So we can do that and then we can see the cells.
Yeah, that sounds great. So my name is Bill and I teach
All right.
neuroscience at Portland State. And I was just going to show you again, so maybe not everybody saw it, but on the trip down to the conference, I completed my Palestinian neuron. So this is not a glial cell, right? This is like sort of a classical kind of motor neuron. It goes from your spinal cord or your brainstem, out to your body to move your muscles. It's a motor neuron, but it's a shape and a structure that I know you guys have seen, before, and that we made examples of, last spring. So this is, my effort to make one, with the colors of the Palestinian flag, right? So
Wow, it's so nice.
I'm glad you like it. That's awesome. Jeff,
Yeah,
do you
of
want to introduce
course.
yourself?
So nice. Love it.
Yeah, of course.
It's
Um,
amazing that you're
Thank you. I'm glad you like it.
so I'm Jeff, and I am an artist. And I'm actually I didn't actually bring any any glial cells with me because I'm actually just drove down from Portland to Taos, New Mexico, and I'm out here at an artist residency. So I will be making artwork, but I haven't done it yet. So
So who would like to introduce themselves? We have a pretty
Yeah.
large group here. So
Let's scroll down the list.
I got to scroll down the list here.
Yeah.
Yeah. So who do I see? Cece, do you want to introduce yourself? You pop up first here.
Yeah, sure. Hi, I'm Cece. I met some of you last time. I'm excited to be back. I am a student. I'm graduating soon, and I'm studying psychology and neuroscience.
That's awesome. And Cece was also, you were down in San Diego at the conference as well, right?
Yeah, that's right. It was a lot of fun.
Actually, there was a contest at a pub where they actually asked neuroscience questions, and Cece was one of the winners of that contest. She answered all the questions about neuroscience, quick, as fast as possible, very, very effectively. So, yay, Cece.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right. Dasha, I see you here. You want to introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Dasha. I go to Portland State. I'm graduating soon, and this is my neuron, and it has little Schwann cells on it.
And Schwann cells are glial cells, right?
Yes.
Exactly. All right, Hannah, I see you next here.
Hi, I'm Hannah. I woke up about 20 minutes ago, so I'm just getting ready to be awake. I study psychology at Portland State, but also neuroscience with Bill and Jeff. And I am also an artist, so I love seeing how we can create things with traditional art, but also found objects. And I don't know, should I share my photo of my glial cell?
Yeah, please do. Yeah, sure. That sounds great.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
absolutely.
I made an astrocyte. I wanted to make
You
an
need
astrocyte.
I have to make you a co-host. Is that correct? Let's see here.
Oh, I'm just dropping it in the
Okay.
chat. Hopefully
If you want
everyone
to,
can open it.
you could share. Yeah.
But it is a found object. I originally wanted to make my astrocyte with coffee beans because I like the idea of how it's supporting me. So I was gonna get coffee to support me. But instead I used crayons.
Do you want to show it actually? Because the file is a little, my computer's saying don't download it.
Oh, I got it. I see it. Yeah, looks nice.
This is the internet. Everything takes
Is that a dog toy in the middle?
Oh, that was cool.
So what's in the middle is it's a massage ball. So
got it. Yeah.
For the nucleus.
Yeah.
And then my dendrites that are going everywhere because there's so many more. Like the astrocyte can make, thousands of connections. So I don't have thousands of crayons, but the crayons are there to represent the dendrites.
Oh, I love it.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah.
Can I share my project of the glial cell?
We'll just quickly introduce folks, actually, and maybe what we'll do is we'll introduce ourselves, and then we'll see your cells first, and then we'll show ourselves. Let's do that. Katie Ray?
Okay, I'm gonna introduce myself. My name is Tala Auni, and I'm.
All right.
Yeah.
So
we can do it anyway. We can be flexible.
Great. No, so let us introduce the Noggins team first, and then students can introduce yourself with the cell. Okay, if that's fine with everyone.
And then we'll come back to ourselves.
All right.
Right? Yeah. Katie Ray.
Yep. Just the Katie Ray.
Hi, you guys. It's so great to see you all again. Good morning. I also made a cell, which I'll show you guys later, out of just old plastic. I am studying psychology and biology and neuroscience at PSU, and I'm also an artist, and my favorite thing to make art out of is garbage. So I will show you my little garbage glial cell later.
Oh, that's awesome. You like reuse and recycle, right? So, Natalie.
Good morning. It's so nice to see so many familiar faces and some new faces. You might remember me from previous sessions. My name is Natalie. I graduated from PSU in spring of 2024. When I was there, I was studying bilingualism, when you speak multiple languages, and then I went into research on sleep, doing sleep studies where people go to sleep with all the wires hooked up to their brains. And now I'm actually assisting surgeries, people's heart surgeries. And eventually I'll be assisting people's brain surgeries. So, yeah, there are so many fun things to do with passion for neuroscience. And I'm really excited to see your guys' brain cells. I didn't bring any of mine other than the ones already in my brain. But yeah, I'm really excited to see all of your guys's.
That's awesome. Thank you, Natalie. That sounds like pretty dramatic with the heart surgery. Austin, I see you there. Hmm?
How's it going, everybody? Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yep.
Yes.
Okay. My name's Austin. I'm a graduate student working on my PhD at Oregon Health and Science University, and I study brain development. I'm actually joining you guys right now from Atlanta, in Georgia, because I'm at a research conference right now, like a patient advocacy research conference. So I'm taking a break from science to talk about science, which is my favorite thing to do.
That's
And I'm
awesome.
excited to see everybody's creations as well.
Thank you for joining us from such a distance too, actually.
No
So
problem.
is there anybody else that I'm missing? There's some names here that they're not I don't recognize necessarily, but did I miss anybody from our group? I think not. I think we're good. Okay. So we'd love to see your glial cells.
Great. So now we can move into the glial cells. And thank you for all the Noggin volunteers for joining us today and to see our glial cells. All right. So as I said, I basically just listed them alphabetically. So the first one is gonna be Ahmed's. So Ahmed and Zainab, who are siblings. So Ahmed, are you here with us?
I'm here, but استنى.
Yeah, I'm
Beautiful.
here.
I'm here.
All right. So please introduce yourself, and if Zainab is next to you, and just talk about your project.
I'm the one who's talking, not Ahmed.
Oh, Zainab. Okay.
Yeah, I'm here.
So, so my name is Zainab Ghanem. I'm 12 years old, currently in year 8. And so I don't know what to say. So this is just the cell we made from clay, and I think it's called clay. I actually forgot.
I like it. It looks
Yes.
spider-like.
Yes, it definitely does. I like that.
That's really great. We really love it. So thank you, Ahmed and Zainab, for the cell. All right. So that was okay. So now we have Jude.
Oh wow.
No. I didn't have like what's it called, the materials. Oh, my internet. I feel my internet's gone.
We can hear you.
Now
Yeah.
someone hear me?
We can hear you. Yeah.
This is a neuron for I tell you with spaghetti. Like last time I make it with, I forgot what's their names. Last time I made something, but I forgot what their names. Like we cleaned with our. But this time I made it with spaghetti. Like I have a whole package.
Huh. Is that
Okay.
like that looks like an astrocyte to me, maybe, right? Hmm? That's very cool. That's a cool
Yeah, I
glial
can
cell.
see
It's
it.
like
Yeah,
I found
that's
it
great.
like wiggly. It's like
Yeah, I
wiggly.
like it wiggly. It looks wiggly.
Yeah,
The wiggly
yeah,
star.
it does. Yeah.
And Jude actually created a website for our project.
Oh,
So this was created
Oh, that's
by
great.
Jude. He even included
Oh,
some Noggin
But
pictures.
there's something
wow,
wrong
wow,
with
wow.
the
That's
I just
super cool.
realized it's not a project. Can I tell you?
That is awesome.
There's something wrong with the project because last time I got it with on the phone in the night. I was like looking at my project, on the phone, and I found it like what's it called? Like didn't load. It's like a small screen. If
Hmm.
someone did not have it, I'm sorry. I was like lazy to do it. I'm sorry.
Don't worry.
But it's working. It's working
It looks like
perfect
it's working
now.
to me. Yeah.
And yeah, he even embedded the explainer video that
Ooh,
we did
that's
for the
cool.
event.
That is
And
amazing, dude.
there's
Wow.
also one thing that's very nice here, which is like I think it's 1,000 tips or 1,000
And
facts.
I can give you the code.
Mhm.
It's 1,000 tips, yeah.
The code is publicly available on GitHub.
Oh
So
my
anyone who
goodness.
wants the code, you can get the code. But so this is like an endless tips about and fun facts about astrocytes, and they even like play. So I don't know if there's sound. I don't know. Wait, just a moment. Yeah.
This is exciting.
So
Tip number
yeah,
2.
they can.
Astrocytes regulate the flow of ions around neurons to maintain homeostasis.
So that yeah. Did anyone hear this?
Yeah, we could hear it. Yeah. Huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Dude, that's incredible.
So great work, Jude. Yeah.
And you go up,
Okay.
go up.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
There's
Wow, these are
like
great.
learn out more. When you go to the brain, like there's something was in the brain, go up more.
Yeah. This is
Down,
على شيء.
down a little.
Yeah.
And there's something yellow small underneath something.
I know that paper.
This
That's a
one?
great.
Four.
Oh, that's right. That's our microglia model.
Hmm.
I take it.
It is totally yours. It is. We encourage that. Yeah.
What it's up there for.
That's why it's there.
And
Yep.
there's
Here.
something and four. Go down.
Here's another one.
Oh, it's 4 here.
Here, I'll wear it on my head. Exactly.
And there's
All right.
something will pop on. It's like yellow. Yeah. About
yeah.
Glia.
Mm-hmm. Like a pop-up
And if there's
notification.
something will pop on the screen. The same
That is so
thing.
wonderful. Yeah, please. Would you send us that link?
There's
Abdulrahman?
another one. You can press play and learn about more. And you will read it. And with that, as a matter of cactus.
I love the cactus one. Yep. That's really great. That's one of our students.
Great. That's amazing, Jude. So
Oh.
thank you so much for building this website and for building your astrocyte here. That's amazing.
That's fantastic.
You're
Very
welcome.
cool.
All
And
right.
Bill, I have one question.
Sure.
Sir.
Yeah.
What is your value with like your favorite prop?
My favorite prop. Wow, that's a great question. There's so many. The thing is, it changes. I usually like the neuron that I'm working on, or the glial cell that I'm working on at the moment, and I really have enjoyed, this particular Palestinian flag neuron. This was very popular at the Society for Neuroscience conference. We presented about the work that you guys were doing, and many neuroscientists came by, many graduate students came by, and they were very struck by this and by the other cells that we brought. And we brought actual pipe cleaners. So many people stayed in front of our poster and they worked on making their own brain cells that they could carry away at the conference.
Right.
And they were very inspired by the work that you had done. In fact, Jeff, right, there were some Palestinian American neuroscientists who came by who were just shocked that this poster, talking about the work that we've been doing and the work that you guys have created, was at the conference at all. So we were very excited to be there and very happy to
Yes.
have that opportunity. So this is one of my favorite neurons right now.
Yeah, it is really good. Yeah.
Like every neurons, you gotta take it. My
Tip number
favorite
2.
neuron.
Astrocytes regulate the flow of ions around neurons to maintain
I don't know what
homeostasis.
happened. Okay, that's perfect. So great. I think we can now move to our third. Okay, and this is Muhammad
Wow.
Qadada. Muhammad, you're with us?
That's awesome. I love that.
Yeah, I love
what
this.
that's made with. Those are really cool, actually. They fit together. Right?
It's
Yeah,
puzzle
and
bee.
he used these puzzle pieces last year for
Yes.
doing the neuron. So, and by the way, today is Muhammad's birthday.
Oh, happy birthday.
So,
Happy birthday.
so thank you, Muhammad, for choosing to celebrate.
That's awesome.
You know what's really cool,
Yes, so
Mohammed?
thank you, Muhammad, for choosing to celebrate parts of your birthday with us today.
Yeah, Austin, you were saying?
I just want to say something really nerdy and really cool that Mohammed did, which is he used the same materials to make a neuron and used the same materials to make the microglia. It's just that the same parts are rearranged in different ways, which is actually sort of how our bodies and cells work, right?
That's
You
super
take
cool.
the same components and you make them into different things, which is kind of very very brilliant and kind of biologically accurate too.
That's super cool. Mhm.
Yeah, it's my favorite puzzle. I can make anything with it.
I think many neuroscientists saw your puzzle too and saw this picture, right,
Yeah.
Jeff? I think you put this on the
Yes, I
poster.
did. It was on the poster, yes.
You are known
And
all over the world.
And Muhammad also did
Oh,
more
I
of
love that.
of
Oh,
those.
those are great.
Those are fantastic. Mhm. I love the buttons. Wow. Mhm. These are incredible. Mhm. Wow. Wow, these are just really striking. There's a whole
These are
collection. I
great.
love these.
Look at that.
That's incredible. You got a whole collection of glial cells.
I know.
You have a
This
lot of
is-
support.
That's fantastic.
Yep. So this is Muhammad.
These are extraordinary. Is that me freezing or is that you guys?
No,
I we also now have Mustafa.
I think we might
Can
be
you hear
losing
me?
you, Abdulrahman,
Yeah.
a little bit. Oh, yeah, there.
I think so. Yeah, there we go.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wow.
So we also have another collection, and this is Mustafa. So Mustafa, you're with us?
They're great.
I love the oligodendrocytes.
Yeah, those are really fantastic.
Great. So this
Yes,
is
that make a
Mustafa's
good art
collection.
project.
Mhm.
With beads,
And
right? Yeah.
And Mustafa did he first explained what cell does in his words, and
Yeah.
then he kind of did a video where he was building. So we're gonna be watching this right now.
Okay, let's see.
All right, just make that me.
Oh, I love this.
Hi, Mr. Abdulrahman. Thank you for teaching me the other 3 types of cells in neurons. And I wonder with their jobs, and they work together to make sure the neurons is healthy. When the neurons is healthy, the brain is healthy. And And the three types called astrocyte, oligodendrocyte, and microglia. First, I will talk about the astrocyte. It reminded me a starfish in the sea, and the starfish is stuck on the glass, but the astrocyte is not a perfect star, it's a messy star.
A messy star.
Other cells and take the nutrus and feed here to the neurons and make sure the neurons is okay.
I love that.
It acts like a nurse in the hospital caring about the sick people, and the astrocyte care about the neurons. The astrocyte caring by supporting and feeding.
That's so cool.
Next, I like to make a astrocyte. This is the nucleus is in the middle of the cells. Every cells have in the middle a nucleus. I want to make like a starfish.
Wow.
It's making a starfish.
When I was making the oligodendrocyte. This when I make the microglia. Now I want, this is like a starfish. Now I want to talk about the oligodendrocyte. It reminds me by a factor or by a factor, and the oligodendrocyte produced a tiny blocks. This tiny like this tiny blocks called myelin. This myelins traveling faster message to our brain. Like when I put my hand on a cup of tea, it was so hot. The myelin, it travel faster message to the brain, and the brain motor flux my hand, and then you back your hand. And also, when we think or you think, the myelin travel faster message to the brain, and that we think faster.
Yes.
Third, I will talk about the microglia. The microglia like a broom, cleaning all the house. Like a trash can, it's clean a whole town and take the garbage. And the microglia, when the brain don't need something, he called the microglia, and the microglia come and eat it.
Yep.
That's all. Bye.
That was wonderful. Wow. That was fantastic. That was a great, great presentation and project. Very thorough.
Great and stuff like that.
And I agree with Hannah. I love the comparisons to caring nurses and starfish.
Mm-hmm.
That was wonderful.
It was very nice.
Yeah, that's very memorable.
I was happy when I was doing it.
Oh, I'm glad. That's good. It is fun to make art, right? And fun to put this together. Very, very cool. You're a neuroscientist. That's pretty awesome.
Will be a good explainer for scientists.
It is a good explainer for, actually, I think it would be very helpful for For scientists,
That's amazing.
actually, I do think so. Yes.
It's so cool.
That's incredible. All right, thank you so much, Mustafa. Now we have Ragad's project. So Ragad,
Yes, Mr. Abdulrahman.
yes. So do you want to introduce yourself and you want to talk about your project?
Oh, wow,
Yes, for
beautiful.
sure. So, my name is Ragat, and I actually joined all of the neuroscience sessions. And I'm actually so glad that I am here among all of you. And I make the project about the microglia cell. And actually, microglia is like a primary immune cell of the central nervous system, which actually to play a crucial role in our brain, that is defense, the maintenance and the development of it. And it's like actually picking up it's like help us to remove the cellular drips, like for example the dead neurons and the pathogens, and it have actually multiple functions. And I actually make a research for microglia. And after that, I go to like I didn't read like for example the first paragraph that was introducing microglia. Then I go to make the project. Hope that you like it. But by the way, I didn't give it a name. If you guys have a name for it, please name it.
What should we name it? Spidey?
I'm trying to get a good name.
Great,
Micro?
great. And also,
Pearls.
Ragad's also
Pearls.
okay. That's nice, Jude. So curls or pearls?
Pearls. The diamond
Pearls. Huh?
thing.
Okay, if Ragad you like it, we can go with that name. But she also included like she
Yes, for
also
sure.
drew, if you notice here like some garbage items showcasing how the microglia kind of absorbs all the garbage.
That's very
That's
cool.
great.
Yeah.
All right. So thank you so much.
Yeah, it does actually have it. It looks like a present. Ooh.
So now we have Ratil.
Okay, hello. I'm Rakiel. I want to say about the
Ratil, are you still with us?
yes, but because my internet is so bad, I want to say about oligonucleotide. Here are 10 important things. First produce myelin. It speed up nervous sides, where multiple actions found in the central nervous system.
Nervous. It's supporting US healthy, produce energy less, and coordinating silent timing. It protect against damage. Finally, maintain communication. And as you see in this photo, here is the uh, here is the thing. Here is the like the cell, which has here is the cell as you see in this photo. It is oligodendrocyte.
I love it.
I love it. I like it. It looks like it's on a nice like table ready for like you're gonna have
Yes.
dinner or something. I like it a lot.
Right.
Yeah, I love it. Okay, great. Um, okay, we can move to the next cell. But I noticed there was a student who had a question. Abdul Wahab, you had a question?
No,
No,
I
mister.
was gonna to present my neurons.
Or astros or
Okay, so
glial cell.
I
um
I put it on chat.
okay, so we will display it on the screen. Okay, I will go through the chat and I will display it, but first let us display one neuron and I will look for yours. All right, so we have Rita. Okay, so let us play the video.
Hello guys! Astrocytes are tiny helper in your brain shaped a little like star. They make sure your brain cells have food, stay clean and work well like little star-shaped helper keeping everything safe and happy. And goodbye!
Goodbye.
Great.
Yay.
Thank you, Rita. So
At
Rita's
least
here
the
with us
star
now.
saved
Thank you so
it.
much, Rita.
It's perfect.
Great. Thank you so much, Rita.
Me, mister.
Who is it?
Me,
Who is
mister.
it?
Me,
Say your name.
mister.
Your name, please.
You.
Yusuf. Yes, yes, Yusuf. Yes, you are.
You
I
see,
think you might.
mister, you see
Okay.
the astrocyte? Mister, you see the
Yes.
astrocyte in me?
That's cool.
Yes. So, yours is gonna be maybe after this or after the.
Astrocytes are shaped as astrocytes are brain cells. They give food and energy. They give food and energy to the brain.
That's absolutely true. Thank you so much, Yusuf. And this is
Yes,
Yusuf's project.
that's beautiful.
Yep, this is Yusuf's astrocyte.
I love it.
Great.
Can I say something?
Sure.
Dude, yeah.
What's it called? In the middle part, you're gonna like in Yusuf picture, you're gonna see the blue thing. Yeah, that is the DNA.
You got it.
Oh,
Yep.
very
That's the
good.
nucleus. Yep. That's
the
fantastic.
nucleus where the DNA lives. Absolutely, Jude. Yep. And I love that Yusuf
Because
used
when I actually was writing the tips, the one of the tips was this. So
Okay.
yeah,
Okay. So this was in your fun fact list.
yes,
Great.
bonus tips.
Great. And indeed, yes. So the DNA lives here inside this center or the nucleus. And here it's like the tip of a water bottle, which is a very creative thing to integrate and to put in your project. So great, Yusuf. We love it.
Very
So
cool.
now let us see.
Oh, I love that
We
one.
have
I love the
Sally.
buttons.
Sally, you're with us?
Jeff, buttons are underused.
Yes, definitely.
We need more buttons. Exactly.
Yes, me.
Okay, Sally, you can introduce your project.
Hello everyone. My name is Sally, fifth grade. Have cell. Yeah. It protects the brain and plants. They may get cells.
Great. So Sally was reading the description she wrote here. So glial cells help the
Yeah,
brain
yeah.
function well. And the microglia, she described it right. It's a defensive cell which everyone who shared the microglia said its role in in the brain's immune response,
That's
and
awesome.
protect the brain and the cleans damaged cell. Indeed, great. So great, Sally. And this is also actually by Sally.
Thank you.
All right, thank you, Sally. Now I think we have Tala.
Yeah, of course. Okay. Hello, guys. My name is Sarah. Today I'm gonna tell you about astrocytes cell. It's type of glial cell. Here are five important things about it. First, it provides support to neurons.
Yep.
Two, it gives the nutrients and oxygen to the nervous cell. Third, helps clean waste from the brain. Fourth, manage the chemical balance around the neurons. Finally, forms part of the blood-brain barriers to protect the brain from the harmful substance. As you see in this photo, I made the associated cell. I hope everyone is like it.
I love it. I think it's
That's
fantastic.
wonderful.
Really wonderful. These are all so creative, you know?
Thanks a lot, everyone.
Great, yes, absolutely. So we do have a couple cells that are left to show. We have Taysir, we have Taysir, we have Aboud, and we have Tamara. So if anyone haven't presented yet, please just write your name and just give me a moment so I can add the three new cells because we received them. Actually, four, yeah.
Abdulrahman, do you want maybe Katie Ray to show her garbage neuron first or something? And
Please,
then while
yeah,
you're doing that?
please. Yep.
Katie Ray, you want to show your neuron?
For
Oh,
sure.
sorry, your glial cell. Your glial cell. Your glial cell.
Yeah, I made a microglia
Oh, I love it.
cell. And so you can see all the dendrites
Oh,
coming
that's
off
great.
here
That's
everywhere.
super cool. I love it.
Cool.
Thank you.
This
And I
is
just
super
took old
cool.
plastic.
Cool.
Thank you.
Is
Yeah,
it made out of plastic?
yeah, it's made
Wow,
out of it's made out of plastic garbage. So I just took the plastic garbage and wadded it up for the middle, for the cell body,
That's great.
and then crocheted it along the ends to make all the little fingers reaching out to the rest of the brain.
I like
And
how
this
it's
looks like
recycling.
you like smash a can.
Yeah, you guys have also used amazing recycling and repurposing in all of your glial cells. So well
So Katie
done.
Ray, how does that relate to what a glial cell, what a microglia does?
How does the recycling
Yeah.
of materials quite literally, yeah. Also, yeah.
That's
Yeah.
That's wonderful. Mhm.
The Roombas of the brain.
The Roombas of the brain. I like that. Actually, does anybody else amongst our group there have a glial cell they would like to share, or?
No, I don't.
Yeah, my name is Agakida. I don't share.
Okay.
Hey,
Yes, so we can go back to
Okay, good.
showcasing the students. But if anyone has from Noggins has any cell to share, you can go ahead.
I'm gonna just put mine in the chat because it's a picture of stuff.
I'll put one in the chat too.
Yeah.
There you go.
I can
It's
make
an
you guys.
astrocyte.
Oh yeah. Okay. So here, nice astrocyte, Jeff.
It's when I drew showing how it wraps around blood vessels also. So
You know, it's almost Palestinian flag colors.
it is actually.
Need some white.
Yeah.
I love
I
it.
see
I love
it
it.
in the chat.
Oh, I love that. Oh, I love the kiwi.
That's really nice.
That is great. The kiwi is great.
Great, Ahmed.
Can I
Okay.
say because it's
It's with kiwi.
I love it. Did you eat it afterwards? Did you eat your astrocyte? Oh, look at this too. Oh my God, I love that.
Abdulrahman? I made from a kiwi fruit. It provide nutrients and maintain balance. Microglia protect the brain from germs. It's clean and protects the brain.
Absolutely.
Goodbye.
Thank you so much, Ahad. Thank you for
I
this
see
wonderful.
you.
That's the
I'm
tastiest
Okay.
glial cell I've seen.
We also have Tamara. Tamara is still with us.
Yeah, I am with you.
Okay, please
So,
introduce your project.
yeah, I would like to. So, as a project, I have to read what I write, right? Am I
Well,
right?
if you want, but you can also just give us a general brief. You don't have to read everything. You can just give us a general of it. It's totally fine.
Okay, so about this project, it's about I am Tamara Abu Hashim. I am in year 9. I actually did this project today, just today, because last week I had, exams, the final midterm exams. So I didn't have much time. So I just did it after, before an hour of the meeting. So it was this. Yeah. So this project is about the glial cells. Glial cells. So I would like to if someone wants the project to make it a save or something. I made 2 projects actually, like this one, and there's another picture. I don't know if Mr. Abdulrahman presented. Yeah, thank you.
Yep.
So here we have the glial cells as a stress cell, and it support and maintain environment. And microglia is a defense against pathogens and oligodendrous insult oxens. So today, actually, about these, I made this project on an app called the Kilo Notes app. I really like it so much because I can put these cute stickers and make it look more fun and cute. I thought that I should put these stickers to make it more cute and funny to read.
I love it.
I love it.
Yeah, so when I do something on
love
my
the
on this
very
app, I
clean,
have
very
to.
aesthetical.
Bears have glial cells too. Maybe not pine cones.
So yeah, that's my project. If you
Yep.
want, I can read the conclusion. Can you guys hear me?
Yep.
All right. Okay.
Yes. Yeah. So can you, Mr. Abdulrahman, get closer to the conclusion, the next page?
Yep. So can you see it now?
Just get, yes, that's good. So the conclusion is asteroids keep the environment balanced, microglia defendant clean, and oligodendrous help signals move fast together. These glial cells are essential for protecting the brain and supporting healthy neural activity.
Nice, nice, nice. That's great. That's essentially everything about them. That's great.
Yeah,
That's a good
I put
summary.
all
Thank you
the
so much, Tamara.
notes in one note to
And we also have
make it more
now
summarized.
Nice, very nice.
So that's my project. Thank you for listening, and bye.
And only took you 1 hour, right? Or less than an hour.
Actually, an hour and a half.
That's amazing.
Okay.
Thank
There you go. That's pretty good. Right before now.
Great. And now Abdul Wahab, who's actually Tamar's brother.
Oh, wow. Okay.
I'm Abdulrahman. Um, I am here for I I did three pictures, designed three pictures, to show it for you, all of you. I did the microglia,
I
I
love
did
it.
the neuron, and I did one that I don't know how to say. Elegod
It's a tough one. Yeah.
It's a very tough
Yeah.
one. I get it wrong all the time.
Yeah, Jeff cannot say it.
No.
Yeah.
Exactly. You could call it Oli,
I
right?
told you guys just to say it oligo or
I
Oli.
did my best to show it for all of you.
Oligodendrocyte. It's quite a name. It's a mouthful.
Mr. Abdulrahman?
Great. So
I
this is
love it.
also Abdul Wahab's second.
I like that. Look at that
I did
oligodendrocyte.
three. Uh, I hope you like it.
I like it a lot. I think
It's
it's
great.
fantastic. I like it the way it's made out of an index card or something. Paper. That's beautiful. Oligodendrocyte, right?
Sorry for interrupting, Mr. Abdulrahman.
Yes,
Can you hear
and
me?
Ahmad, yes, I
Very
can
good.
hear you.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay.
Muhammad,
Yeah, Mr. Abdulrahman, I've sent my project.
we can hear you now.
I've sent my project on the messages to you, like a direct message.
Okay. Oh, I'll look for it in the chat right now, and I will display it. Let me check. Can you send it again, please, Muhammad?
Yeah, I can.
In the meantime, okay, thank you. So everyone, don't
sorry,
worry. We're gonna show yourself.
a few seconds because the electricity was gone.
Yeah, we can't wait to see more. These are really great.
No worries. Okay. Oh, okay, Muhammad. So let me okay, I'll be downloading them, and in the meantime, we can actually show more cells that are already downloaded. I think we now still have a Taysir. Okay. So we're gonna show Taysir and then Muhammad.
I can't wait. Let's see. This is such suspense.
I'm sorry, guys. There's a lot of cells. Okay.
Oh, wow,
That's
that's
all right.
awesome.
Yeah.
That's super
I
cool.
love this.
Oh
Yeah.
my goodness. That's awesome. Huh? Yeah, the more the better. Wow.
Still, make one.
I have to make another one,
Okay.
right? Do I need to make more?
Get a whole collection.
Can you see I have a whole collection, right?
Okay, Taysir. So do you
Need
wanna
more.
talk about it?
Need more.
I do need more. I'm working on a new one. I just have a cell body. I don't know what it's going to be yet. But it has a nucleus. So I'll turn it into something.
Nice.
It's a big one.
Yes, yeah, absolutely. So Taysir, are you with us?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Please describe your project.
Yeah.
Hello? Can you hear me?
Yes, we can. Mm-hmm.
Yes, yes.
Okay, 1 second to open what I will say. Okay. I will not say all things because it's so tall. Ancestors is a glial cell found in the central nervous system, brain and spinal cord. Shape and structure is shortened by its star-like shape, as shown in the image, and neurons external projections numbers. Can you hear me or not?
We can hear you. Yes,
We
and
can hear you.
that's
Yes.
very good information.
Everyone, we can hear you.
Okay, thanks. Extending away from the cell body. The function astrals play several roles. 1 second, please.
I see. I think we may have lost Abdulrahman.
Oh, no,
there.
did we? Oh,
No,
oh,
he's
I
back.
still see him. Okay, good.
We lost Abdulrahman. No.
He's under the sea, so it's very
Yes.
difficult sometimes for the signal to get through.
Lost our warrior who are gonna protect us.
Hi, everyone. Okay, so sorry.
No worries. Did Happy the Seahorse get you back?
Yes.
He fixed the connection. He fixed the connection. Okay, so Taysir, you're talking. Are you done, or you want to continue?
That's awesome, Taysir. I'm reading what you put in the chat. That's wonderful.
And yeah, and this is also by Taysir. So it's a drawing of an astrocyte.
Nice.
Very
I like
nice. I like that a lot.
Yep. Amazing. So now after Taysir, we will have Muhammad. So just give me a moment to display Muhammad's project.
Astrocyte.
Oh, wow. I love all the
Oh,
colors.
that's really nice.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
a great one.
I made it of astrocyte, and there is a video. You can open it.
Astrocyte. I made it using clay. Astrocytes are a major type of glial cell. They are star-shaped cells. It controls levels of ions like potassium.
Yeah.
It controls what enters the brain from bloodstream. Also, it's the nurse of the brain.
Very cool. Can we see it again? That was super cool. I want to see it again.
Astrocyte. I made it using clay. Astrocytes are a major type of glial cell. They are star-shaped cells. It controls levels of ions like potassium. It controls what
enters the brain from bloodstream. Also, it's the nurse of the brain.
Oh, I love that. Yeah. I was saying just to see the cell itself. That was the cool thing. I mean, the presentation is fantastic, but that's a great cell.
Thank you so much, Muhammad.
Yeah, thank you, Mohammed. That was really wonderful.
Very nice.
Great. Now,
Really beautiful.
who still the cell that we did not see? So write your name in the chat. That's what you have to do.
And if there's anybody from our group too, from Noggin, if you created a cell that you haven't had a chance to share, please feel free to write your name in the chat too, so we can make sure we cover that too.
Okay, Yumna.
Can you repeat what did you say?
Yes, I mean.
Oh, good, cool. Austin's got some photos too. So I don't know who else needs to present, but
Can you repeat what did you say?
oh, so if there's anybody from Northwest Noggin or anybody from, BIS who would like to share their cell, their astrocyte or their microglia or
Oh
their
no,
oligodendrocyte.
no.
You're good?
I
Okay,
already
good.
shared mine.
Oh, Jeff put a microglial cell in the chat.
I think I'd probably already shown you that, but that was my microglia.
It looks a bit spidery and
Yeah, it's like a
vampire.
little vampire. Yes.
It has like sharp teeth.
Although it should maybe
Still
I'll have to make
doubting.
a toddler one now.
Yes, exactly. Yeah.
Okay, great. So we have Yumna. So please, Yumna, send them in the chat here or on WhatsApp. And actually, Mustafa wants to add a comment.
Yeah, sure,
So
please.
Mustafa, you want to add a comment?
Yes.
The
Actually,
floor is
I had fun when I making these videos talking about the 3 types of cells in neurons, and I wonder with their job, and I enjoyed making them with my hands.
That's awesome. I love that.
Yes.
Finally, I get some new information, and I love your session, Mr. Abdulrahman. Welcome, Mr. Chef and Bill, and welcome for everyone. I really be happy to be with you. Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Thank you.
Maga, that was awesome. That was fantastic. Or Mustafa, that was awesome.
Thank you so much, Mustafa. We really appreciate you and all of you here for doing these great cells. And we have actually one more cells by Yumna. So let us actually view this one. Yumna, you can start.
Non-neural cells in the nervous system that support, protect, and nourish neurons. They help maintain homeostasis, form myelin, and participate in immune defense. That types include astrocytes, oligodendrocytes, microglia, and Schwann cells. And the soma, the central part of the microglia containing the nucleus and metabolic activate and coordinates immune response. Nucleus contains the cells
genetic material DNA and results gene expression. Philopedia, long thin branched strands that consider science environment. They visit damage damage pathogens or diverts.
Nice.
Really
Really
that's
wonderful.
Thank you so
Thank
much,
you,
Yumna.
Yumna. Yeah. Mhm.
Great. So,
So I know
again, if anyone,
Austin, I think has
Austin, yeah.
some images to share too. Austin, do you want to hold on one sec? I can make you a co-host if I can find you. Here you
Oh,
go.
perfect.
Let's see,
Nice.
1 second and make co-host. There you go. It should be confirmed now.
All right. Let me know when you can see it.
Oh, I love it.
All right, so this is like a little time series that I did. I made a microglia. I had some stuff laying around my kitchen. So here you can see the cell body is made out of a little glass jar that I had some cinnamon in, had chopsticks for the processes reaching out to sample the environment of the brain. And that's what the microglia do whenever they're scanning for debris and other germs. And here I'm showing that the microglia has to be able to tell the difference between the normal healthy parts of the brain, like peppers, potatoes, and lime, and bananas in this case, and tell the difference from that and something harmful like a lime here. So now I'm showing that, there are ways that the microglia detect, hey, this is something bad that shouldn't be here. We need to take care of this and remove it. And whenever it tastes this environment and senses that, the soma, you see the glass is bigger now, the cell body will grow
Yeah.
and start to prepare to eat the lime. And next, instead of having skinny little chopsticks, the microglial processes here I'm showing them turning into an oven mitt because they kind of get bigger and swell in size and they kind of reach out around the lime. And whenever they reach out around the lime, they grab it to neutralize it and they engulf it. They bring it
Oh
within
my God,
them.
that's awesome.
This is
And
great.
and now the lime is been sequestered and captured by the cell, and the cell or the microglia can then break it down with chemicals inside, and now it's a squeezed, no longer harmful lime.
That's awesome.
Thank you. Yeah,
That is really clever, and I like that a lot.
thank you.
This is great.
Do you have roommates, Austin? Were they like looking at you like, what are you doing with all this stuff?
Uh, my girlfriend was looking at me, but she's also a neuroscientist,
Oh,
and so
so
she
she
was like,
understands.
I got it. I
Yeah.
got it. I get it.
I
So
love this.
If
limes
he
though
has
are
no like roommates, it's like, wait, what are you doing?
exactly. So limes though are actually okay for your brain. Is that true, Austin?
Actual lime is okay, but yes.
Okay, good. Okay.
I don't know if you could fit a whole lime in your brain, but you can eat a lime and it'll be okay.
It'll be okay. Good, good. That's my weird.
But not a whole line. Put it in your brain.
Don't not a good idea, Jude. Right? Yeah, exactly.
Like
Exactly.
I gotta hold my hand like push it off.
Yeah, there's not enough. There's really not a lot of room in there. We use that space, right?
We use that space for a lot of things.
For us, right? For us, that's literally you, right?
Mhm.
Yeah. Keep the lime outside, right? Exactly. Wow. So are there more cells or are there questions? Do you guys have questions for, folks that we brought today, or do our folks have any questions that they want to ask or share or observations they want to share?
No, we don't have any question, but I'll share my gal cell. But I'm gonna say to you like important thing about the gal cell. Uh, Okay, glial cells are the great workers of the brain, supporting neurons in everything they do. They protect the brain by forming barriers, bringing nutrients and oxygen to keep it healthy, and clean away waste that could slow down its work. Some glial cell helps messages travel faster by warp around nervous fiber, while another rebels and rebelled tissue when there is injury even though they don't send signal like nervous. Glial cells make sure the brain stays balanced, safe, and able to function smoothly every second.
That's awesome.
Yeah,
Great job. Yes, absolutely. Very
absolutely. Yeah.
important support roles, essential roles, really. I mean, it's more than support in some ways, right? That's fantastic.
Yes. And who was speaking? Because the name wasn't showing. iPad 3. Who are you?
Who's iPad 3?
Okay, and I agree with you, Yumna. All the cells are cool.
They are so cool. I agree. Yeah. The neurons
Yes.
and the glial cells, right?
Yes, yes. Scientifically speaking, but also the cells that we saw today, all of them are very cool.
Very, very cool.
Yeah, of
Abdulrahman, do you have a slideshow that you could share with us? Or like, is there a link to all of these cells so we could sort of see them?
Oh yeah, so I'm gonna share
Okay.
the document that I was using to view them. So
Awesome. Thank
absolutely,
you.
I'm gonna be sharing it after this meeting.
That sounds great. Thank you very much. Yeah.
They're all on the drive right now.
Well, it's making me think like we would love to see you guys again at some point if you are interested. And we have to think about what we do next. Is that
I
right,
know. Yeah. There-
What other cells or what
I think
other
there could be lots of fun things
structures?
we could do.
Yeah, I
Yes.
think there's some cool stuff. I do like all the mixing of the art and the neuroscience, right?
I just
Absolutely.
remain wondering about one question.
Sure. Yeah, Raga.
So the question is now we talk about the microglia. The microglia is actually type of new neuron cell. So in
Yes.
which part of the brain does it place? Like in the occipital lobe, parietal lobe, temporal lobe, frontal lobe?
That is
Which
a
part?
wonderful question.
It
So it's
really is.
interesting, like the cells that form the brain, including the astrocytes and the oligodendrocytes and the neurons, right? They all come from the same layer of the developing embryo, but the microglia are a different kind of cell. They're from the layer of the embryo that forms the immune system, because they're sort of the immune system representatives in the brain. And Austin and some of the other folks here can certainly add to this, but they're pretty much present all over the brain. Is that correct?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, they really travel around, right? They get around.
I have a question.
Yeah, please.
Okay, what is the not important part of the brain? Like sometimes we do not need it.
Like a part you could just get rid of, so you're still trying to fit a lime in your head, is that right? You kind of I think you want the whole brain.
No. I'm not thinking about that. I'm not trying to think
Okay. I think, I don't know. What do you guys think? What do our noggin folks think? Is there any part of the brain, you'd like, just get rid of that thing. You don't need
I
it.
think no.
I'm using the whole thing. I'd like to keep the whole thing.
If someone want to play the yeah, here to go.
Any part of your brain you want to get rid of? Anybody? Maybe the part that keeps you up at night.
I want to get rid of my ability to feel pain, but then if I wasn't able to feel pain, I want to be able to tend to it. So, but I'm tempted to say I don't want to be able to feel when I get a cut or something like that, but I understand how important it is.
Yeah.
Yep, that's right. Because you got to know that it's there so you can get the Band-Aid on it, right? Or you can deal with it.
We actually went over during a summer club. Ragad, you were in the summer club, book club, and we talked about the case of a person who did not have any pain. Do you want to talk about it, Ragad?
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I remember him. Actually, I know I didn't remember his exact name, but he is a boy where he was actually don't feel pain at all. One
Wow.
day, the boy was have a device in his hand and just try to take away his teeth from his mouth, and he actually make it. He make maybe 10 teeth. I don't know. I don't remember, but he
Yep.
tried to harm himself without knowing,
Yeah.
that he is harming himself right now.
And that part of the story.
And
So his
when
name is
his
Paul.
father, yeah,
Yeah, go on, go on.
yeah, I just want to say that when his father came and discovered that his son would just like take away his teeth from his mouth, he was assassinating what you are doing right now.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah. So this case is in the book called The Man Who Tasted Words, and the man's name was Paul. So when he was a kid, his dad told him like when you lose a tooth, like a fairy comes in and gives you like money. So what the
oh,
kid
yeah.
did is that because he doesn't feel pain, so he was like, okay, more teeth. So that's how they knew that he doesn't actually feel pain. And the problem is with his cells. They do not
Yeah.
have the lock that helps us feel pain.
Yep.
So yeah, it's a rare condition, but it's actually there, and it's not
Like,
nice because he's
can I
like
say
he can't
something?
even walk because he hurts himself, as Ragat says, without even
And doesn't know it. Yeah.
he might yeah.
That's very intense. Yeah, that's
Can I
somewhere
say
I'm looking
something?
for an image that can explain that too, but
I have 510. I have 510 are simple things about girl cell.
okay.
Okay, I'm gonna share it now. Glial cells, it's feed neurons. Glial cells clean waste in the brain, and glial cells protect neurons arm. Glial cells help messages move faster. Finally, glial cells are the neurons helpers, and the glial cells helps the neurons stay healthy and work faster.
That's excellent. Yep, that's all true. Nice.
Thanks.
Very cool.
Great.
Yeah,
And
you
tell
guys
us
did
your
a
name,
lot of
please.
research. I'm very impressed.
Your name, please. Just
Take the class.
Okay, I put in the chat an image that shows you like the cells that Abdulrahman was talking about. Like if you look at the bottom of the image, there's a knife,
Okay,
right? You get injury,
amazing.
and
So does
then
anyone else have any questions or thoughts?
I just remember why. Can I tell you?
Yeah, sure.
I just remember because if you're like your nerves like cut off like half or
Yeah.
half, they can't like regenerate.
No, that's true, actually. Yeah. And so in the periphery, like in the like if you injure your finger or something like that and you can't feel at the tip, it feels numb, there can be regrowth because the glial cells actually, the ones that wrap around the neuron in the periphery of your body, like your fingers, not in your brain, but in your fingers, um, they can help to encourage regrowth out to the tip of the finger so you can feel again. But in the brain and spinal cord, if you damage the neuron, it doesn't
Something like
regenerate.
inside of the brain, like important thing.
Yeah,
Maybe I
so you
don't
could like
know.
that's why in the periphery
So
of your
that's why people like get like do not feel injuries.
Yeah, so that actually, if you want to take a look at that image here, I don't know if you can see it, but um, the one I
I
put in
can
the
see
chat.
it.
So if you cut yourself, you actually cut open cells. You cut open the cells that make up your skin, that make up your finger, whatever. You cut your finger, and then the contents, the stuff inside, and a lot of that stuff is proteins. A lot of proteins spill out. And what Abdulrahman was saying, there's no lock, right? There's no what they call a receptor protein on this long cell, the cell that, goes from your finger all the way into your spinal cord. It detects that, and then it starts to send an electrical message to your brain. So ow, you just hurt yourself, right? And actually, it's kind of cool. Like if you do that, it goes first to your spinal cord, and then another neuron, a motor neuron, comes out and moves your arm away. So you cut yourself, you pull your arm away really quickly, right? And the information goes up higher to the
Yeah.
stem of your brain, and you look at it. It makes your head and neck and eyes go like, whoop, and look at your finger. And then you feel it, and it feels unpleasant. But if you don't detect the injury, if you don't detect what happened in the finger, your brain, you don't pull back, you don't look at it, and you don't feel the pain. So you really, and that's can be very dangerous because you really want to be able to, know if something has happened that's injured your body, right?
Yeah.
Like, let me tell you something.
Sure, yeah, yeah.
Like, even I'm not even looking at it. Like, nothing happened, so let me go.
Yeah, exactly. That's the thing. You don't if you can't respond and protect what you don't know, right? You don't know what happened. So it can be very dangerous, right? So yeah. So Hannah, you should really keep your nociceptors.
Yes, important.
I'm saying this because my cat likes to wake me up with little scratches, and I'm like, I wish I just that would be
You
great.
have a cat? I love
On
kitties.
that app. Yes, I don't know where she is, but she
Me
likes to
too.
wake up with her little claw on my nose, or she'll put her claw on my cheek, and I get little cuts. I'm like, what are you doing?
What? Do you ever scratch your cat?
Naughty.
No, I don't scratch her back, unfortunately. I should see how that goes.
Exactly.
Naughty kitten.
Me
Yes,
too.
a
I
naughty
have a
kid.
cat.
Oh, cool. Is your cat there?
Yeah, it's next to me.
Oh, that's cool. What's your cat's name?
Ice. It's
Oh,
white.
that's nice.
Abdulwahab wrote a story about ice during our program and how ice uses her nervous system.
Oh, that's cool. That's very cool.
Yeah, it was a very cool story.
So do you guys have any more questions or I
No,
think
it's
we're
all
about out
clear.
of time, but yeah.
No, it's all clear.
Ice.
No, but
My
sorry,
cat
no.
Ice loves to go watch through the window.
That's awesome.
She does
She's
that
very
a lot.
curious. A curious
Look,
cat.
like
Curious what
before
is
the war.
outside. A monster.
Yes.
A dinosaur.
Can I say something? Before the war, we have a cat actually called
Okay.
Ethan.
Ethan? Okay.
Yeah. I do not know what happened to him, but sometimes they say he jumped out of the balcony or they sell it because I do not know what happened with him. So
Oh, I'm sorry about losing your
like
cat.
5 months or something.
I got once I got one.
And we found
It
another
names
cat.
Sugar. It names Sugar. She jumped from the fourth floor to down, and
Wow.
then nothing happened to her.
Wow.
They say cats have many lives, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
9 lives.
And when the war came, she got hit by a car.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Sorry.
Yeah, I'm very sorry about that. Yeah. We had a cat that also got hit by a car.
Hi. هاي أبو لا احكي هاي احكي له ليش عجبك
But my mom don't want.
No cats? No animals? Well, just so you know, cats, right? Dogs.
I
They
have
also
2
have
cats.
astrocytes. They also
Yeah,
have
all the same stuff.
oligodendrocytes. They have microglia, right? Exactly, Jeff, right? They have neurons, right? Dogs have a lot of neurons, it turns out,
Yeah,
Very densely packed.
they can.
We have 2 cats.
Cats have a decent number of neurons too, right?
Yeah.
Well, you guys, we want to say thank you very much. We really have enjoyed this, actually, It is
Oh my
always
God,
fun to
that
come.
is so cute.
So, Abdulrahman, are we
How
going to plan
everyone
another
have a
trip
cat?
or
I
another
really my
visit?
cat was that.
It is ice.
So cute.
Aw,
And
this is my cat.
and
Her name is
it's
Glia.
very interesting with.
Oh, nice.
Oh,
Look at
that's
these.
awesome.
Here's
Oh, that's
ice.
great.
There's ice. Oh, I love ice. Yeah, thank you guys for all of your amazing glial cell presentations. I
Yes.
appreciate it right there. We really appreciate it. They're extraordinary.
Thank you
Really
so much,
cool.
everyone. Thank you for your amazing project
We also
and the
enjoy.
amazing questions.
And we would love to return at some point. So let's think about
Yeah,
that. Right?
absolutely.
Does it like a cat?
Yes?
Really? Why everyone have a cat? Man, cat apocalypse.
Okay. So that's amazing, everyone. So thank you so much also for the team at Noggin and
I
everyone here
lost
for
my cat
coming.
in the war.
Oh, sorry
We are
about
so
losing your cat.
enjoy.
Mhm.
Sorry, Mustafa, to hear that.
Yeah, I agree with Hannah. I
Mhm.
think we should do a
Yeah.
project on cats and
I
dogs.
really miss her.
Like everyone have like cats and dogs.
Yeah, I think we should do a project on cats and dogs.
I
And
like
I have a
it.
children with me. I
we
have
do
a
something
child.
about pets. Pets would be good.
I have a
You're
child
welcome.
with me. My cat.
Thank you,
Say
Asa,
hi.
for joining us.
Say hi.
Yes.
Hi.
Thanks, everyone.
Thank you guys very, very much. Beautiful
Yeah,
cells.
thank you.
You really taught us a lot today. So I appreciate
We
it.
are so enjoyed.
Yeah, we did too. Thank you. Take care, you guys. Take care of yourselves.
Right.
Take care of
Thank you.
Bye, everybody.
Don't forget about your cat.
Bye.
Bye.
See you.
Nice day.
You two have a great day.
Bye.